Hey guys, how you doing? Love my hair. Love my hair. I need to get it cut because I'm growing wings. Anywho, my mail came today. Yay, I'm so excited. So excited. Um, I'm going to show you what I got. I, I, I didn't, I undid the box, but I didn't look in it yet. So here we go. Okay, guys. Finally got my boxes. Oh. I got some mail. I got a card. Oh. Oh, that's a cute card. Look at this. Hope you can read it backwards. But this is from Vicky with Gotcha Hooked. Look at the cute little card. I hope this happy mail makes you happy. May God bless you and my crafty friend. Oh. Oh my gosh. Look. Ooh. Isn't that pretty? It's red heart. It's 100% acrylic. And I think this might be a 4. Oh, God, what is it? Oh, yeah, it's a 4. Ooh, what can I make with that? Hot dog. And look at this one. Ooh, ah. Okay, send me suggestions. What do you think I should make? I got little handmade tags. They're little, I don't know if you can see them. They're little metal tags. And it says handmade. Oh, those are so cute. Is the camera gonna zoom in or what? Anyway, that says handmade. Trust me. And, oh, I got some stitch markers. Oh, look at these. How cute are they? Wait, hold on. Ooh, I got a butterfly. A butterfly and a panda. Those are so awesome. These are my first fancy schmancy stitch markers. And then I got Crazy Craft Lady. Yeah, that would be me. Crazy Craft Lady. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. These are just adorable. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. What can I make with these? They're nice and soft. Ooh. Thanks, Vicky. I really appreciate it. This is so sweet. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, my second box is from Saraya at DIY Creations. And she sent me a little card that says, everything happens for a reason. Stay strong, stay positive, stay creative. DIY Creation. Look what I got. Oh my God, I can't. Stitch markers. And look at this fancy shimmery hook. Isn't that cool? And it's a 5mm. Whoop, whoop. Wait. Okay. Ooh, I got an ear warmer. And that's beautiful. I got 3 of these. This is cotton, coastal cotton, loops and threads. It's a 4 weight. It's 90% cotton and 10% acrylic. This is beautiful. It's a pink color. I got 3 of them. Ooh, ooh. And 3 of these Baby Bee soft and sleeky. Oh God, words are hard. Soft and sleek baby. Low pill fiber. Let's see. It's a 4. But I got 3 of these really pretty aqua color. Let's see, the official name of it is Seafoam. Seafoam Marled. M-A-R-L-E-D. Got 3 of those. Ooh. 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 What can I make? Oh my God. I got 2 of these cakes from Lion Brand cupcakes, and this color is yeah, that suits me. Clown car. Yeah. And I got 2 of those. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. You guys are so awesome. Yeah. Okay, I got 1 more box. Let me see if, I think most of that's just my mail and probably my bank card. Woohoo! So I'll be back in a second. Okay, I'm back. Well, I was right. Most of it was, like my mail stuff from the VA and bank and this and that. I did get my new card. That's exciting. And what else is exciting is that I got this like credit card for food from Humana. I gotta take the thing off first. Okay. This is from Humana, and it doesn't cost me anything, but it's a healthy food card. It's kind of like I guess it's kind of like food stamp card, only not food stamps. It's with the Humana, and they put $75 a month on this card, and I can use it for healthy foods program, bakery, beverages, dairy, frozen meals, fresh meal kits, prepared deli items, meat, seafood, pantry, like canned goods, baking goods, pasta, snacks, fresh fruits and vegetables and packaged salads. So, for milk, eggs, cheese, yogurt, coffee, tea, juice, no Coke, no soda, no, I'm sure no cookies are going to be involved in this. It's just something That's nice, and it's not costing me anything. So there you go. Like I said, I got my bank card, which is awesome. I got some cards for Christmas. And this is one from Janice. That's so cute. I love those. Thank you. And this is from Patricia. Isn't that cute? I like that. Thank you. And this is from our, I guess I can say the last name, Butler. I like that. Peace on earth. Thanks, guys. I really appreciate it. I had Marlene open these up when she got them, and I forgot to say who it was, but I saw them at Christmas time, but I just now got them. So there you go. And I got one from my friend in San Diego. I like that one. Okay, and then my friend in San Diego sent me some clothes, and I hate it to tell you this, but they're too small. Except this one, it's a really nice, I think it's, what is that, seersucker? Anyway, it's pink and white check shirt, and it's got the cutest little edge on it, and the bottom has the edging on it too. I'm really hoping this fits. So yeah, there's a few pair of slacks in there that if I ever lose weight, more weight, I might be able to squeeze into them, because a couple of them are going to be nice and cool for the summertime. Anyway, let's see. Have I got anything else going on? No, I think I got this cute little bag. Oh, that's so cute. Anyway, that's about it for this one. And I'm going to make a separate video to show you what came out of the oven yesterday. So take it easy. Take the long way home. Woo.